Hello everyone, my name is Comfort Bichambesh and today I'm going to show you how you can create your own AI image generator from text. This web application, it works by prompting it with some text, and then it's going to return with images matching that text. Those images are generated by AI. Here's a quick overview of what you're going to achieve shortly. Let's say if I want to type something like uh, beautiful, beautiful African ladies, and then generate images. So analyzing and generating, what it's doing right now is generating these images from what it's analyzing. Yeah. So here it comes. Mostly the loading depends on the network strength. Yeah. And also on the size of an image. Okay, so it's loading. Yep, so here it goes. So this is what we have generated from the prompt. So it has given us these images that are that look like real images, or like the actual images to be specific. So I just prompted it like beautiful African ladies, and it gave us this. So now let's go to our code so that I can show you how we achieve this. I'm on my GitHub repo here. The link is already in the description. You don't have to worry about anything. So this is it, and it has some serious instructions here that we all have to follow. Okay, let me download the repo before anything. Download zip. Yeah, so even you just have to download it first before you can start doing anything. Okay, and then I'm going to say extract here so that I can extract my files, and then here it is. What I'm going to do here is that I'm going to right click Visual Studio Code here. I use Visual Studio Code. Okay, and then open in terminal here. First, before you can get started with anything here, uh, on the instructions, it's written to say these are the requirements: Python 3, Python version 3 or better, Django version 3.2.7, and then we also need to make sure that we install requests, since we are going to be using requests to be interacting with the APIs. And kindly note that this is based on OpenAI's DAO. I don't know if it's DAO or DALE. You can call it whatever you want, but as long as you're on the same page. Step one here, login register for an OpenAI account. Okay, let's do that. I've clicked on the link. So what do I have to do next? Click API. Okay. Then on the left section here, I'm going to click API keys, create new secret key. This is what I'm going to generate here. Create new secret key. So, okay, before I can do that, let me go get back here. Okay, so when we create an API key here, we're going to open in a file in views.py, which contains something like this. Okay, let's get back here. So here on create, let me cancel it so that we can get started again. So create new secret key. So here I'm just going to say, let's say my AI merge, my AI merge, my AI merge, my AI merge. Yep. Verify that you are a human. All right, so I'm going to pause this video a little bit since this might take me some time. Yeah, so I've played with that puzzle thing, and I have successfully managed to generate my API, my API key for OpenAI. So what I'm going to do next here is I'm going to copy it. Yep. So I'm going to open my code. I'm going to open my code, not this one. Okay, let me close it so that I can open it again. So I'm going to open what I just downloaded from GitHub repo here. Then I'm going to open it with Visual Studio Code. Okay, so I'm going to go straight to tools folder, views.py, views.py. Okay, so before this, there's something that I forgot to tell you. You need to make sure that you install request. So pip install request. So pip install request. So with me, since I already have it, it's displaying something like this. So if I did not have it, it could have installed. Okay, let me now paste that API key. Where is that? Where is that? Okay, so your open AI API key. So I'm going to paste it right here. I'm going to paste it right here. So what I'm going to do is to save, go to my terminal, and then I simply type in Python 3 manage.py run server. Okay, the server is now being saved. So let me type in something else now to test if it's working. So I'm going to say a got on a computer with glasses, with sunglasses, generate images. So analyzing and generating, it's analyzing the text, and then when it analyzes the text, it's going to generate a list of images. Okay, while it's loading, let me show you something. Okay, so this is the function which is fetching the images here. So when you click the button, what's happening is this. So this is an API request here. This is the header or the authorization which contains everything. So here, like let's say in an instance where you would want to specify the number of images that you'd want. Maybe you want it to display like 44 images. You can just simply type in 44 images, and then there when you generate, it's going to show you for a list of 44 images that will be generated by AI. Yeah, so I'm going to revert it back to 4 since with me I'm okay with 4. And then here, this is the size. So we have the width and the height here of the images that you'd want to generate. So if you want, you can just if you want 500 times 500, you can just say 500 times 500 times 500, and then the images that will be generated are going to be with the resolution of 500 times 500. But with me, I think I'm okay with 1024 times 1024. So that's how it works. That's how it works. So let's get back to our prompts now. Yeah, so we've got the real deal now. I got on a computer with sad glasses. So we have generated this. As you can see, these are quite large images with a resolution of 1024 times 1024. So these are big images. That's the reason why they are taking in a couple of seconds or minutes to load. So this is what has been generated from the prompt. So that's how this thing works. All right, so we're going to end from here, guys. All right, so in case maybe you want to collaborate with me or you have a deal or anything that I may be interested in, you can simply contact me. I'm going to leave my contact details just after this video. Thank you guys for your time, and kindly share this video with your friends or or with any other people who might be interested in watching this. And don't forget to subscribe and like. Cheers.
Nsereka muntu kambuli bakamba nafutu kunkonka bakamba.